Migrating a legacy system role to one that incorporates AI, ML, and deep learning, DNN, involves a structured approach. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Assessment and goal definition. Understand your current legacy system role, its strengths, and its limitations. Define clear objectives for integrating AI, ML, or DNN into your role. What problems are you trying to solve, or what improvements are you seeking? 2. Data gathering and pre-processing. Collect and clean relevant data. Data quality is crucial for the success of AI and ML applications. Convert and structure data in a format suitable for analysis. 3. Skills and resources. Assess the skills and resources available in your team. If you lack the necessary expertise, consider hiring or training team members or working with external experts. 4. Choose appropriate techniques. Based on your objectives and data, decide whether traditional machine learning, deep learning, or a combination of both is the most suitable approach. 5. Model development. Develop and train AI/ML models. For traditional machine learning, select algorithms like decision trees, random forests, or support vector machines and train them on your data. For deep learning, design and train deep neural networks, DNNs, using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. 6. Validation and tuning. Evaluate the performance of your models using relevant metrics. Fine-tune models by adjusting hyperparameters and making improvements based on the validation results. 7. Integration with legacy system. Integrate the AI/ML models into your existing role within the legacy system. This may require changes to the software architecture. 8. Testing and quality assurance. Conduct rigorous testing to ensure the integrated system functions correctly and safely. Pay attention to edge cases and real-world scenarios. 9. Deployment. Once testing is successful, deploy the AI/ML models in a production environment. 10. Monitoring and maintenance. Implement continuous monitoring to ensure the AI/ML components perform as expected. Regularly update and retrain models with new data to maintain accuracy and relevance. 11. Documentation and training. Document the entire process for future reference. Provide training to relevant staff so they can operate and maintain the AI/ML components. 12. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop to collect user feedback and data to improve the AI/ML models and the role's performance over time. 13. Security and compliance. Ensure that the AI/ML components and the integrated system comply with security and privacy regulations. Implement appropriate security measures to protect sensitive data. 14. Change management. Ensure that your team is prepared for the shift in roles and responsibilities. Communicate the changes and their benefits to stakeholders effectively. 15. Scaling and optimization. As your AI/ML enhanced role evolves, consider opportunities for further scaling and optimization. The specific steps and technologies used will vary depending on the nature of your legacy role and objectives. This migration process requires careful planning, dedication to quality, and ongoing commitment to improvement and maintenance. It's essential to involve domain experts, data scientists, software engineers, and other stakeholders in this process to ensure a successful transition to AI, ML, and DNN. Thank you.